In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate your Citibank credit cards that normally comes with your account once you open a new account at Citibank. So to do so, you can just go to whatever browser you want and type activate. Sorry, I'm just going to do so. So activate Citibank credit card or Citibank card. So you don't type a lot. Just type activate Citibank card at any browser, hit the enter button, and you will find the first step or the first link is activate. And of course, here, if you want more help on card activation steps. So for the card activation steps, basically, they'll tell you basically how to do it. So basically, you'll have to activate your card. To do so, you'll need to visit citi.com activate card, which is basically going to be this, or as you can see, just even do it. So as they said, so citi.com/activate card. Oh, sorry, I should not be without any space. So yeah, activate card without any space. Yeah, like that. Hit the enter button. And once you do so, as you can see, you'll be taken here. So once we do so, we'll have to input our numbers. Let's just say I'm just entering some random informations. CVV code, I'm just going to enter some randoms, click on continue. Of course, like I get to this error. Why? Because I entered some random information. So this card does not even exist. But for you, once you enter that, you'll have to validate the OB, complete all the fields like field marks with an asterisk as an example are required, and then select your 4 pins or 4 digits. Then your card is ready. You'll be able to receive your card activation confirmation and you'll be able to activate it and use it right away. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.